boys and girls, girls and boys, of course we're back with another Foxbody, of course. Once again, probably getting another question, why so many Foxbodies? I don't know, but I've had this one forever. And forever, I mean by ever since I've been in high school. From like freshman year, I bought this car. And ever since then, it has been a project. And I mean a huge project, such as throwing a 351 Windsor in it with a T56 mated behind it. And the custom exhaust it has on it with the roll cage and everything. Of course, the battery to the back. Power shut off in the rear. To a whole bunch of other stuff that I can't even remember I've done to this car. Ignore this because both window motors, of course, just had to go out on me, so neither of those work. But I did put in some pretty sweet AEM gauges. Now, of course, I am piecing the interior back together slowly but surely. Don't look at all this. It's not the greatest, but this is my reverse lockout for the T56 and starter, of course. I do plan on getting rid of these seats and going to something way better than them, such as maybe some Recaros, Kirkis, whatever. I don't know. Not 100% sure what the plans are with this car, but if you got any ideas, let me know. I would like to slam it on some race slicks or something, put some boom tubes. I haven't decided. Please help me out. Of course, I'm imagining you're probably thinking, Skylar, let's hear it. What's it sound like? This is what I have for you. I personally think it sounds freaking great. The exhaust on it, amazing. Well worth the money. Now, something I'm not sure I should be worried about is this oil pressure. It's because even, I'm cruising like 2,000 RPMs, almost 90 PSI. Makes me worry just a little bit. So for it having long tubes and just a muffler back to there, it does not drone very much in the cab. Like, it's very comfortable. I can have a nice conversation when I'm cruising. I have no problems with the car. I absolutely love it so far. I can't get over the sound of it just cruising. I love it. Now, of course, we gotta let her sing here a little bit. So let's go ahead and hear that. So to break down this 351, it is a 351 block, of course, with eagle rods, rotating assembly. Got aluminum heads on it, 1.7 roller rockers, long tubes on it, CVF front end. Has Phytech EFI, McLeod twin disc with a hydro conversion in it, and of course the T56 Magnum. So eventually, when we have both cars done, my red car and Dad's turbo car, we're gonna run them. And this thing's probably right around 400, 450 wheel. And I'm hoping the 351 makes close to that. Even if we have to put some 110 in it just to beat them, I'm cool with that. If y'all got any ideas on what I should do with this old girl, let me know. Make sure to comment down below. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe.